Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Hisense portable AC keeps shutting off, timer, sensor and power fix. Fix 1. Check the timer settings. First, press the timer button on the AC control panel or remote. Now check whether a timer is enabled. Then turn the timer function to off and test the AC and see if it stays on. Fix 2. Empty the water tank. Turn off the AC and unplug it. Now locate the drain plug at the back or bottom of the unit and drain all the collected water in the container. And then reinstall the drain plug securely and restart the AC and check if the issue is resolved. Fix 3. Clean the air filter. Turn off and unplug the AC. Now remove the air filter from the rear panel. Vacuum or wash the filter according to the user manual and allow it to dry completely. Now reinstall the filter and turn the unit back on. Fix 4. Reset the portable AC. Turn off the AC and unplug it from the wall outlet. Now wait for around 5 minutes, then plug it back in and power it on. Then test the unit again. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.